So I fear y'all are gonna get a lot of this angle because I work Monday through Friday. But let's go ahead and open up day 4. So my advent calendar, I'm so excited. I love it. So let's go ahead and open this up. I feel like a little out of it because I'm tired and I'm also currently working and I just had to deal with something and it like put me at a little bit of a stress level, but I'm just trying to like come back down. Okay, day 4. Oh, 3's up there. Yeah, day 4. Who is it? Oh, this one's like taped in. Okay, it's kind of hard to take out. What is this? Is this like a little puzzle? I'm confused. It is like a little puzzle. Yeah, I'm so confused. Well, I guess like I couldn't expect all of them to look good. So, okay, let me build this really quick and then I will show you all. Okay, I guess that's it, but it's like a little sled. And honestly, cute because I could put like one of the characters in it. So, like, look how cute that is. I'm gonna put it on my desk. I have my Melody in my office. Matthew took over cinnamon roll. And what else did we get? Oh, the Botsmaru, right? So it was cinnamon roll, my Melody, Botsmaru, and then the sleigh. Okay, so that is day 4. Cute. Okay, I'm excited. So, right, so just an update. I'm going to go ahead and get started with work. I actually have a meeting here in a little bit, so that should be interesting. Hopefully it's nothing crazy. It's been definitely like a busy month for us. So if you don't know, I work in like insurance world, you can say, for like medical, and this time of the year is definitely busier than others, so it is obviously like busy season. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and like, I guess you can say like, not clock in because I've been clocked in, but like focus. Anyways, time to focus. Bye. Okay, so really quick, I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple of eggs because I'm hungry. But we are doing a grocery pickup in a little bit, so that's gonna be the plan for after work. I gotta say, I think I've shown this to y'all before, but I have this little egg maker machine, and I 10 out of 10 recommend it. I've used it so much since I've gotten it. I mean, at least I have, and it's super easy because you just turn it on and you set the timer and you just can walk away. Like, it's not like you're boiling eggs normally. Alexa, set a timer for 23 minutes. It's so easy to just make the eggs. You set it, forget it, walk away, and you're good. Now, really quick, we got this so oddly packaged. So we placed an order for slippers for Matthew's grandma because her birthday is tomorrow, and we decided to gift her some slippers. But like, I'm just gonna go ahead and open up this package because I feel like they look kind of weird. That's weird. So like the fuss is like almost looks like it's unfinished. It's so weird. It doesn't even have like a tag. Like, I guess we're just gonna give them to her like that. But I do have a pair of little socks that I can give her, so let me grab it. So I can give her this pair of little socks, and I had actually bought 2 pairs because I like these. They're penguins, and honestly, I don't really wear socks like this, but I thought about doing like sock curls. I actually did my hair. So yesterday, if you saw yesterday's vlog, I curled my hair and whatnot. And last night I used like a curling, what is it called? I don't know, like a sleepy tie. It goes around your head and you just like put your hair around it. But I've also seen people use socks like this to do the curls on each side, and they just like kind of put it in a bun. So I want to try that out, and I figured I'd buy an extra pair for myself to try that. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wait for the eggs to finish cooking and have my lunch. I'm just gonna make some egg salad, super simple, and get back to work for after my 30 minutes. But anyways, that's the plan. I feel like today is like a little off, a little weird. I'm trying to make the best of it, but I don't know, I feel like that just comes along with like seasonal depression. Like you have good days and you also have bad days, and you also have like very like like mundane days. So it's just like a good reminder, like just keep going, push through. plan little fun activities for yourself, like after we go to the grocery store. So we are going, I'll just bring y'all with me, but we are going to H-E-B to pick up our groceries and also have a prescription to pick up. And I'm also going to ask Matthew if we can stop at Michael's because I need to get a button. So I actually need to get 2 buttons. So I need to get like a little just tiny pack of buttons. They don't have to be like fancy buttons, but that is something that I have to get. So I figured really quick on the way home, stop and do that. And I figured I would save the attaching the buttons for tomorrow. And tonight I'm thinking about doing like a crafty little something, like either junk journal or maybe like coloring, just something simple, nothing that like requires too much like energy out of me. I just feel like that would be really helpful for me and also to like get some footage for the vlog to include. I feel like today's vlog is going to be a little bit shorter, so if it is, I apologize. But anyways, that's the plan. I figured I'd update y'all because I haven't talked to y'all all morning. No, you know, best meal ever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh, did I just break it? Oh my gosh, I'm so vicious. Anyways, delicious. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna go upstairs and get back to work and eat my lunch. Hi, it's finally after work. We just got done with work and we are headed to H-E-B. I'm funny enough wearing the same sweater I was wearing yesterday, but it's fine. I don't really care. Don't die. Are you laughing at me?
Yes.
Why?
Because you announced to the world you're wearing the same sweater. I think I am too.
Oh, it's fine. I don't care. It's literally a sweater. Anyways, we're headed to H-E-B. I need to pick up a prescription and also we have to pick up groceries. We did like a curbside pickup and then we're gonna stop at Michael's. At least that's the plan. Wait, did you also want to stop at Five Below or no? Debatable?
Debatable, yeah.
Okay. But the plan for sure is to stop at Michael's. Jeez, delicious. We need to stop. We need to find a button. I'm literally going to Michael's for a button and the tip. Anyways, I'll just bring it out for the ride. No, because like the weather is so shitty. Like you can't tell on camera, but it's like raining. Well, drizzling. I shouldn't say raining because it's not. Literally at the H-E-B pickup line. I have a prescription to pick up, but their line was crazy and we didn't have enough time to do that before. So we'll just have to do it after. That's the plan at least, right, Matthew? I literally had to just walk over because the lines was crazy. I mean, I have to. Just really quick, right? Oh, cute. Oh, shut up, like a cowboy. Wait, literally, Michael's looks dead because it's kind of drizzling, Matthew. We are searching for buttons. I haven't been in a Michael's in like forever. Oh, look at the little Snoopy. Yeah, that's cute. Not gonna lie. Looks like it's $40, so 50% off. Anyways, I'm gonna go look for the buttons. Which means it's like empty. But it's okay. You'll go back for the cookies if we end up getting the cookies though. Yeah. Okay, we're going to Five Below now. That's next on the agenda. Literally what we came for. Oh yeah, those are cute. I think we should get the ones with 2. No? Oh look, they still have these. Hello Kitty and My Melody. Really for the first time ever we walked in and we grabbed what we needed. Carefully. Crazy. Really quick while I'm here, I'm just gonna go ahead and close out the vlog so I have enough time to edit. So with that being said, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's vlog, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe and I will see y'all again tomorrow. I think tomorrow we're gonna do some sort of like, wait, We're going to Grandma's birthday. Oh my gosh, why do we keep forgetting about Grandma? Gosh, this is evil. Matthew, you forgot yesterday. Anyways, bye. See y'all tomorrow.